Namaste, hi and a very warm welcome to Swadisht Kitchen. Today I am going to share a Marathi snack recipe, pumpkin puris. This recipe is shared to me by my cousin who is also a viewer of my blog and YouTube channel. We'll see the ingredients to prepare pumpkin puris. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Try my simple and healthy recipes of Swadisht Kitchen. Ingredients required to prepare pumpkin puri are: I have taken 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour, that is atta, 1 cup of pumpkin, washed and chopped pumpkin, oil as required to fry the puris, jaggery syrup half cup, just dissolved it in water and strained it, salt according to the taste, and this is dry ginger powder. This will give a wonderful flavor to this puris. Now we'll see how I am going to mix all these ingredients to prepare pumpkin. We'll add the pumpkins, switch on the gas stove, add some water, let the pumpkin boil well. Even in this itself I will add half cup of jaggery water, which I have dissolved it in water. Let it boil well. Once this is cooked well, switch off the gas stove, allow it to cool, then we will put it in the mixer jar and make a paste. We will put it in a mixer jar and make a fine paste. Then we will mix all the ingredients to make puris. In this whole wheat flour atta, we will put salt, dry ginger powder, mix well. I'll add the pumpkin paste. And make a dough, a stiff dough for puri. Need to roll the puri dough into small balls and keep it ready. I have already kept the oil. When it is heated, we will roll the puris and fry it. My pumpkin puris are ready. I have served it with mango chutney. Please do try and provide your comments. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Swadisht Kitchen. Click on the subscribe button which is available right below this video. Thank you.